A nice job of setting up the external style sheet with the link tag. Up in the head section, we always have to have there's two required elements, and the one we have to put in is a title element, which is the page description. And what happens here, less than 120 some characters, but you describe the page, and this is what's going to appear on the tab of the browser. So up here at the top where you have the tab where it says Introduction to Web Design, Homepage, Menu, that's what's going to be appearing in those areas and when you bookmark it. So, and then lastly, up here you need to have a meta tag, and it has to tell the what we call as the char set. And what we're doing here is with this the meta tag, it doesn't have a closing tag, just a meta itself. If you have to put a special character in, like an ampersand or $, things like that, it allows you to put in that special character a different way. And just again, for validation purposes, it just has to be up there. Okay. Majorly, what you're missing here is after the head section things appear behind the scenes. Your page content always goes in the body element. And the body element, the opening body tag always starts after the closing head tag, and it ends right before the closing HTML tag. So this encompasses the whole page. So the body is your actual page and what's going to appear. So that needs to be done. Good job marking things up. Good use of heading. I will say this: when you're going and making this bold and paragraph, one of the things you might want to think about is that headings you have multiple levels. So you have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and that's it. And basically, it makes everything bold and then makes it a lower, small or a smaller font size. So one of the things you might want to do is instead is make this into a heading. And I'll make it an H3 tag, and that's going to be approximately the similar size on that. And let me go ahead and save this. Okay. And when I view it, you can see here that the size is pretty much the same as lunch and dinner, except that it's not in that color. Okay. And then all you have to do then is to open up your CSS. Go back here to this folder. Open it up. And then you can actually copy this and then just change this to H3. So again, nothing major. I'm just trying to give you an idea and on that. But you do, the body tag is missing. That's the major thing, and then a couple of elements in the head section.